Hi, my name's Hazem, and today we're going to learn about the Klein Tools Voltage Tester, also known as a TIG tester. I don't know why people call it that, but that's what they call it. And this is a very important tool to have in your pocket if you're an electrician, because it can tell you if an outlet or a wire is going to kill you. So the way it works is you press the NCV button, and then it turns on, and you'll have a red light here showing us that we're set to, it can detect between 70 and 1000 volts AC. And if you want more sensitivity, you can press it again and it turns to a blue light which can detect between 12 and 1000 volts AC. So keep that in mind, it only detects AC current, not DC. Now, how it works is if you have an outlet that or a receptacle or a wire that you think is live, you can touch it. So this one's dead. This wire is also dead, but it's picking up a magnetic field. So even when I move this wire, you sometimes you're gonna hear it ding a bit. You see that? It's dinging. But to know for sure, when you get really close to it, you don't even have to get in there, but when you get close to a receptacle or a power cord or anything, you've got a constant noise. So see, this is my power cord. But you gotta keep in mind, it does not detect direct current. So I'm gonna show you something here. So here's my receptacle, and this is live. So notice now, when it's in a faceplate, you know the screws for the receptacle are close to the faceplate on this side. So even if we put it in the hot hole, we get power. In the ground we don't, and in the neutral we don't. And it's big enough that it just fits right in the hole. We can also try a light switch. So light switches have 120 volts, even when they're off. So you'll be careful of that. Now this doesn't really matter too much, but here's my computer. I've got a 120 volt cable for my monitor, but it goes to an AC adapter and it comes out as DC. So on the DC side, there's no power detected, and that's really interesting. So now you're like, well, who cares? The building is mostly DC. So typically your voltages, the current on a DC load is not going to be high enough to kill you. Like if I cut this wire off and stuck it in my mouth, it probably wouldn't kill me. But I've been seeing, say in data centers, for example, you can have very, very high DC loads, like 1000 or 2000 amp DC loads. And in those cases, this thing is not going to detect them whatsoever. So it's very important to have this. Thank you.